The VIZpin Firmware Updater app allows a user to easily apply the latest firmware to VP1 and EZ1 reader controllers. The app eliminates the need to have a laptop for updates or for physical access to the reader, so no need for a ladder to get above ceiling tiles. Now it can all be done from a free one-of-a-kind updater app. Before starting with the updater app, you must have already downloaded and registered the VIZpin Smart app onto the same device you will be installing the updater app onto. After doing so, you can then download and install the VIZpin Firmware Updater app from the Google Play Store. On first launch, you will need to enter your mobile phone number and password. These are the same credentials as your VIZpin Smart app. The Updater app will go through authentication steps and then scan for VIZpin readers that are currently in range. A list of the located readers will be shown. The readers' names, serial numbers, and current firmware version are displayed. The app will also indicate if you have a VIZpin key for this reader or not. If you do not, the app will show a message, "No VIZpin key, uninstalled readers only." This will typically be seen when upgrading readers that have not yet been installed and are still in an out-of-box state. The app will attempt to use factory default settings to upgrade these readers. This will fail if the readers are not in a factory default state, and you will need to be granted access to this reader from the VIZpin portal and then try updating again. To begin the update process, locate the reader you'd like to update and tap the Update button. Select the appropriate firmware version from the drop-down menu and tap this Update button. The app will place the reader into admin mode, parse the firmware file, and begin transmitting it to the reader. Follow the prompts and wait for the update to complete. When the reader returns to pulsing red, trigger it from your VIZpin Smart app to confirm it functions as expected. Your first attempt may fail and display a purple flash. This first attempt sets the time and date on the reader. Your second attempt should trigger the reader properly and display a green status light. The firmware update is now complete.